box elder bugs. It's beginning of November in Minnesota, and they are looking for somewhere nice and warm to spend the winter, which usually means inside my house, which I don't appreciate them inside the house. So what I've tried in the past and has worked is using a product called, it's taro ant dust. Kills ants, fire ants, carpenter ants, and other listed insects. Kills up to 8 months, and it's waterproof. And this I have used for box elder bugs. It's really primarily for crawling bugs. You want to be sure and read and follow all of the directions on the package. So the way I've used it is go all the way around the perimeter of the house, and you're basically creating a line. Then if the bug wants to get in the house, it has to go over that line. So they crawl through that, and this product will kill the box elder bugs and spiders and ants, and I use it for ants too. But just run a line all the way around, but you be sure and follow the directions and all the precautions on the label. But it's worked great. Eventually they will end up killing box elder bugs before they get in the house, and they don't really do much damage, but they do leave red spots and go to the bathroom on stuff, and it's just not cool to have them in the house. So used this in the past. I'm gonna finish putting a line around the house now, and hopefully it'll, in fact, here's one. There's a guy right there, see the powder on him, and he's going belly up. And there's another one going belly up. These other guys looking kind of healthy, but hopefully they get down in the powder and don't get in the house. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.